Ever pondered the possibility of controlling devices with your mind? Could BCI be the next big thing? Welcome to the dawn of a new era with brain-computer interface, a technology bridging the gap between human brains and devices. This revolutionary technology is not just a figment of a science fiction writer's imagination, but a burgeoning reality. The journey of BCI, like any great invention, started small and has been on a steady climb. The inception of brain-computer interfaces, BCI, was marked by simple tasks such as moving a cursor on a screen. It was a marvel of its time, a testament to human ingenuity and a glimpse into a future where the mind and machine could become one. As the years rolled by, the capabilities of BCI began to expand. Controlling a cursor evolved into manipulating robotic limbs, an advancement that sparked hope for those with physical impairments. The realm of possibilities continued to broaden. Soon, drones were being navigated through the sky, not by a handheld controller, but by the power of thought alone. And let's not forget the gamers who found themselves wielding virtual swords and casting spells, all with the flicker of their neural activity. From humble beginnings, BCI now stands on the precipice of transforming our interaction with technology in ways we could only dream of. What if you could operate your smartphone or switch TV channels using just your thoughts? Sounds like magic, right? But this is the potential of brain-computer interface, or BCI. Imagine the medical field, where surgeons could control robotic arms with their minds, or the entertainment industry, where gamers could interact with virtual reality like never before. This technology could redefine our interaction with devices and the world at large. The power of the mind is vast, and with BCI, we are just starting to tap into its true potential. So, are you ready to embrace this new era of mind-controlled technology? We've journeyed through what brain-computer interfaces are, their fascinating evolution, and their limitless potential. The future is here and being shaped by brain-computer interfaces. So gear up and get ready to witness a world where your mind reigns supreme.